YouTubers. Just want to tell you Happy New Year from me and Bert. We have been working endlessly. We got our camper now, and I'm going to post pictures in this video of the inside of our camper because we've been too busy to make a tour. So, y'all have a Happy New Year. If you're going to get drunk, stay at home or stay wherever you are. Or AAA is giving rides tonight if you're 10 miles from home or wherever. So, have a good time, ring in the new year, but be careful, guys. We will see you on the next video. Stay tuned. Watch at the end of this video, we're going to show, or as soon as I shut up, we're going to show you pictures of the inside of our camper. Woohoo! Love y'all. God bless.